today with another video. This is going to be a show and tell and a wig install. Now before I get started on all those details, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sherelle. If you like what you see towards the end of this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you are subscribed to my channel already, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Showcasing a new unit from the company Myfirstwig. I have featured them plenty of times on my channel, so if you have not seen those videos, please make sure to check them out. I have not opened this box up yet, and I love to unbox with you guys so I can see what's going on. So I'm just gonna remove the top off of this. Now in this box they did include a beginner kit which has a rat tail comb and also 2 clips. Also included some wig knots healer, so if you don't want to put powder or anything into your parting space, you can use this. I can say I have not used this yet on any of my wigs because I don't feel like it's needed on certain wigs, but I'm gonna try this one day. I'm gonna try it. Also included this flyaway tamer, which I like because it's not greasy and I feel like it just kind of lays it down without it feeling heavy. Then your unit does come in this satin bag, and in the bag they included this wig cap, also included details for the unit, and this is the unit. I know y'all see that it's short, so that means it's a bob. And then your unit just comes in this little knit. Website, they do have options if you don't want to get all those things, because some of this is an add-on. But if you just want the beginner package, it comes with the box, the wig kit, and the wig cap at no charge. And then if you want the simple package, it also comes with the box, the satin bag, the wig cap, and it's an extra $15. So I do want you guys to keep that in mind. Of course, if you don't need any of the extra stuff or the satin bag, you don't need the flyaway tamer, you definitely don't have to add those things. The unit that I will be showing you guys today is their Yaki bob with the 4C edges. You guys know I love their Yaki texture units, but I really do love their bobs. It is 10 inches in length. It's 130% in density. It also comes with your 2 combs on the side. You also get that 13x6 parting space area, the comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And they also have this elastic band. With your deep bleach knots, and it also comes with your pre-plucked hairline, and I also have a cap size 1. I also wanted to let you guys know that on the website, you can now get the deep bleach knots and the ultimate pre-plucked hairline at no charge. They used to charge you extra for it, but they said, nope, everybody should be getting the same type of customization, so we're not going to charge them anymore. I just wanted to let you guys know that tidbit of information. Now, I did recently try another 4C Edges wig, and I did feel like it just needed a little bit of improvement. They did state that they did improve this, so I'm excited to try it on and show it to you guys. It has a more natural density, it's improved edges, and it has the real scalp illusion. I'm going to try this on real quick so we can see what it's giving. It looks like, and I feel like they did a really good job with the front of this hairline. The side is plucked out even more, and I'm just comparing it to what I tried the last time. Like, that looks super realistic. Like, they did that. That looks good. It blends in really well to the hair, and it doesn't feel super dry. Because the other one I tried, I feel like it felt a bit too dry and it was causing some shedding. But this looks really good. As you can see, this does come parted already as a left part. Now I usually prefer a right side part or the middle, but I think I'm gonna flow with this today. But I do want to show you that you can go further back because they didn't extend it all the way. So that is what the parting space looks like. You can probably see my cap right there. Then you can part this far before you run into any tracks. So I know I said I would keep this as the left side part, but I don't know, y'all. I might switch this to the right also. I don't know. I feel like it's gonna look good either way. Go ahead and get to styling this unit. I think I might do a glueless install. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do, but of course I will be back to show you guys the final look and to tell you guys my final thoughts. am done styling this wig. I did show you guys two styles, which was the side part and the middle part. And this middle part, it's doing it for me. It's doing everything that it needs to do. You can see there's no adhesive going on. Okay, wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. It's blended. My part was okay. I just feel like because I brushed the edges into the hair, it just looked really full. And I personally feel like with this straighter texture and you have those 4C edges, I don't like the way that that looks because I'm not pulling out hairs like I would with the curly baby hair look. I'm not pulling them out. I'm not swooping them. I want it to look natural just like this. If I want to go in and just pull out like a little wispies how I have it on the side, that's cool. But I don't like to pull out all of those edges just because I personally don't feel like, you know, it looks right. A little bit, that's all you need. So I like to kind of brush mine back into the hairline. But I feel like it was just too much going on with the side part. When I did get to the middle part, I decided to pull out a few of the hairs. Now because they did thin it out even more, I didn't have to go in and pull out too much. So I just pulled like a little bit out right here and then a little bit kind of on the side, but you can still see the edges and they're doing what they need to do. I went in with this Shea Moisture and I just put like a little bit around the lace and then I tied the elastic band on just so it could kind of melt into my skin. Now when I did have it as a side part, you guys seen I moved some of those edges out of the way just to kind of lighten it up, because when I brushed it back also I did notice that it just seemed to be a lot darker, only because, you know, the lace wasn't showing as much and I wanted to lighten it up so it could look more natural. To the middle part, I didn't put any more powder. However, I did put powder into the parting space so that it could look more scalp-like, because you could see like a little bit of my cap. My cap always slide back when I put it on. I put a little bit more right here just so it could kind of conceal my cap more. You guys seen that this came as a left part, but even with me maneuvering the parting space, I feel like this laid down really well without me having to go in and like do too much. So you're not gonna have to worry about this laying down flat at all. Now with the hair, I just added like a slight bump. This is only 130% in density, which I feel like this density is perfect for every day. Now, of course, you can see if this one does come in a thicker density, but I like this one because I feel like it's going to be easy to manage. You guys know we're about to step into spring, so for me, this density works. As far as tangling goes, I'm not receiving any right now. The hair feels really nice and soft. But if you've watched my channel for a while, I've worked with Yaki texture a lot from this company. And the one thing that I do notice with the bob units is that as it gets older, then you will start to get some snags towards the ends. You really want to go in with a good shampoo and conditioner and get those little snags out. Put in some serum and I feel like you'll be good to go. Now I didn't put any serum on this unit today because I was moving the part back and forth. And then I'm not receiving a lot of frizziness. I got a little bit of flyaways, but the wax stick definitely took care of it. Guys, this unit is really cute. It's definitely giving off natural. I love how the companies are, you know, incorporating more of the natural edges because that looks good. Like, look at my edges. And then look at these. Guys, think about this bob. If you are interested in this one, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.